What's up guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to make trippy red type beats from scratch, and yeah, let's get right into it. First thing I did was the melody, and the first thing I put down was the Serum 2 lead. This preset is on Splice, by the way, pretty sure. And yeah, I just put a little EQ on it. This is a mixing thing, and then I have these plucks. These brass things. And then these are all of the melodies together. Also, in the second part, I pitched up these. Alright, now for the bass. So we have this 808 from Juicy Jewels. It's a pretty simple pattern. Now for the drums. So there's no kick in this song. There's the hi-hat. Pretty simple as well. Then we have an open hat. These little percussion thingies. Then we have, yeah, that's basically it for the drums. And then last thing is, for this beat, my little sister wanted to sing on it, so I let her, and it actually came out pretty fire. So there's this.
Everything will ever, and I know what to do. Everything is in my way that I can do. Everyone is coming mine, saying it every only night. I could be singing right now.
Just a little auto-tune and compression. And then there's this.
I
just chopped up part of her vocal and froze it. And then, yeah, that's pretty much all for this beat. There's not even any effects. So yeah, I'm gonna play the whole thing. For the mastering, all I have is this roar. The drive is up 2-3, the low is turned off. The mid, turn up the amount, and the highs amount a little bit more. And then the dry wet is 21. And I made sure the frequency was all the way up. It was like this, but I made it go to 20. Same for the mid. And then I just cut off the lows below 24 hertz. And there's the saturator I mentioned before. And then the Julian just shows how loud it is. And yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. And peace out.
everything